If you don't promise people them for Bamenda say they so palava for dirty, it no go ever day again. People them they disoso she done for inside dirty. He left now only them themselves for see as so they get for born dirty for inside Bamenda town. We go take now, we go for that side so from Queen market side for talk this palava dirty we don't plenty sote population. Them say they don't confuse, they don't enter just now for Bonham, where it gives someone then cough, it gives someone then kata. Even for inside Tori for this afternoon, we go take una to go for Fumban side for talk say after vex, we market people them vex, Bine put them vex for Fumban side. We hear say market it don't open back again today. Sabi say the Bine put them, they be vex now for Sika Palava tax where they pay where they don't understand on top their heads. Inside Tori 2 for this afternoon, after we Prime Minister waka for inside Bamenda last week, how Bamenda people they wake up today, we go take unam, we turn small for inside Bamenda for see whether waka for Prime Minister, it don't change people their mind small or now say the place is also they as well they ever be for Monday. Inside Tori 2, we go take unam, we enter for different chapter them, newspaper them day where we go talk we get the Star, the Guardian Post, the Sun, the Post and even Logijon newspaper where they did for we before. This afternoon, big part talk, it tell we, if you left elephant for the follow ground beef, you will not fit ever look up bush where you want protect them for sicker waiting. Now the elephant in the chakada the bush no be and ground beef. I say if you left elephant the follow ground beef, say make bush in no chakada. Sabi say no be and ground beef in the chakada bush. Na elephant say it do am on etuge divine it she done for isokolo for limbem na he send we big patok at the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad say we don't meet up again. Chapter 2 for this number 1 day for inside the week. Chapter for this afternoon. We go start now for Bamenda. We take una go for that side so from Queen for side for market side. Whether na for park, people there they sabi Queen Park for that side so for Bamenda. Wanna go sabi say this dirty for inside Bamenda. It don't cause plenty trouble. Queen Park, plenty people them, they don't talk say they don't promise them say they so they get for can come out dirty. But just now, as so they may be there, they set up for that side so for park. From Queen, na so too dirty don't flop. No man in no day for come out am. Na we may say population then say na them don't turn now for the born dirty for that side. Sabi say company where they look out this dirty for inside country since where the palava start for northwest and west. Them say they the fear after where they don't chakara plenty of their motor. So just now people they na for inside dirty from Queen market side for park as well they talk now for the way they so this dirty don't plenty so them say they don't confuse. Organ to move Vincent when I'm governor delegate if they ever promise say they so they go come pass come dirty but just now the dirty it also so turn up for them. If they look at the market people them where they make dinner for them and even a motor people them sabi say na pack from Queen. Make we hear wait where someone person where they sell for that place a talk for we.
I say did the TD so we get around and so money feel free. You know we should don't sell for customer and then to seek the interview. Cough, kata, other kind of thing. How would you cook the kind of thing? More look about the dirty.
How long the turn?
The dirty don't remember that you lay about the rest of the body for one born and a born, so we don't hear about. We don't know come the motor we say I don't born about no one and who they born. The dirty they worry with. Make the rest what they do about the dirty.
Market park from Queen with dirty don't flop with the president look at them. We go take una just now go for Funban for talk say this home. Bine people them for inside big market for Funban. Them say they be come out for roads. Now for Sika Palava for tax where we hear say they lock their Bine place. Now we Bine put the big market for Funban inside we could just finish. dey make mash for road. They talk say the kind of thing they no fit understand. According to the business people dem, sometimes the bill wey they fit pay around that kind of 100,000, but they wan see for receipt wey they don give am for them. The receipt e dey show na around that kind 50 or 84,000 wey they don pay am. They no be understand their head on top this palava. So na wey they make mash reach for that side for office for person wey dey look up tax for inside Fumban. The person say take time, e should don talk with them as well. Even Oga D.O. Kenemo and Michael Ate, he meet up with some of the business people them for try for talk for them on top the palava. Sabi say the business people them, they be the make mash so. Now for Sika say they so palava for tax where they pay am, they no understand. Sometimes the money where they pay am, e need to show on top receipt where they so they pay am. Now all the thing that we make am, these business people them, they go for DO. Now make we enter for market for Sabi say now for this business place them where they be lock am, now he make am. Business people then say they lock their own business place after where they lock on their combi them. Now for the way this thing is start also before it is so you see all them for roads where they say this one no go continue so better. Now say make they go meet up big people them for say make the try for explain for them. Tori we enter we here as well the start Tori say for this side. It tell we say the big market it don't open back this morning time. We go take una just now go for side for Obala for talk to say ebide na wowo day for this weekend we pass for Obala na Okada people them and other people them for inside Obala. According to Tori we enter we here, they tell we say plenty thief inside Okada inside the Obala and they blame na Okada people them. Now for there was some one ethnic group it attack different ethnic group for that side so for inside Obala fights it start happen for them. So take to them say they come. We hear some say even Oga Ezio for that side Peter Ntiende ebidede. We go take una go for village where they call am say Yambong na for that side so for Edeyam. This village if una see the roads na roadway dey so it get some small shaking. Yes, and this big motor them where they carry timber. Them say they don't help the village people there. They no forget for here but on top bridge where dey so this motor they pass. Motor they no fit pass again. Now why that way you see this motor they turn up so for long line. Bridge it don't chakara. Yes, the motor they be the use na some small picking bridge. Now all the bridge it don't chakara. That people them for village say they no get their own for chop. Sabi say normal. When the kind of big timber then so they come out for outside. When they come out, money get for enter wey they get for fix better bridge. But all the motor them they don't turn up so for Sika say bridge where they pass on top. They don't chakara and these village people them say they cry for Sika say them say they no fit carry their own cargo them. Where it means say when they go for farm they come out with something for bush they no fit go sell am. All the one na wey they cry say they so main governor a try for put some law on top the palava for firewood where they so go cut am. Now this kind of big motor them with timber they don't cause all confusion inside place where they call am say Nyabok na for inside the Edeya site. We take una go for Tiko side for talk on top this palava for small accident wey be happen. E be there na for before side wey they call am say 3813 na for inside Tiko wey this one e happen. Na bus wey be carry people there wey dey transport them with another small motor. Na dem say they make versus for inside the arraignment so call the people them according to Tori wey enter with EM. No one man we never fit for confirm if person e die, but at least people they dey wey they come out with the court just for corner una fit see self some of the people them where they be dey inside bus where they be get for enter for bus wey no dey again after wey the motor e make accident. Now for side wey they call am say 3813 for inside Tiko where this accident happen. Benin people them one day they wan go or man e just turn up in the look place as where this accident so e pass as so talk. We never fit for confirm if person e die inside that accident. So for inside Tiko, we go take una go for side where they call am say Tiko Airport. Now the court accept that where e dey so the people them too. They the back make governor or make company where the local lights e can do e work. They say make they no wait so till the year say person don't die. Now so as soon as they see that power turn up na big risk for all people dem for inside that side. So for airport squatter for Tiko, where this high tension, it don't bend so they fall with the hearsay motor then sesep, they know the fee for pass for them. They say na road this way to them, they use and work for go make their mash where they make practice for National Day. But since when the poor don't fall so and they don't call company where they local light, so today the company it never show hate for this palaver so for side for Tiko. Make we hear some one man he talk for we.
In the road now, if una look and they be tell una say they be tired this road, una no go believe am. Now electric pole this way don't fall. Where people that they pass motor that they pass right now, so army they no fit pass on this road because they practice their marching for airport. They no fit pass. They pass now for my doorway. They don't cut me self. I don't even get light again for my house because that truck they don't cut my cable for light, even cable for TV. So make una look how they live for this country. The Sonel people who don't inform them over and over before this pole one fall for down. So then now so the pole don't come down. And people that they fear for pass along this road. So now they take na different tracks and then they cut people that cable light them for house. People that then are in darkness. They will not know where they go for this country. We don't know what I knew on a Sonel we will call now. On a power cam. Because we know power cam and I don't think so we will get this kind of problem when power cam be.
Yes, na person said that for inside place for Tiko where the talk for. We will go open with chapter for Northwest Southwest. We go start for Bangante side. For talk say Bangante today na one place with plenty of we brother sister them. Mommy and papa them they don't run enter for day for sika this palaver where they happen for Norway and Southwest. Some of them they don't already get their own small place where they fit find their garim. Inside this place on the side they wash motor, we get 2 or 3 of we own brother them. We just now the dinner for that side and for day where they look at their life, wash Okada, wash motor as where they come. Then for the end for day, maybe they fit get their small colo, their 1,000 where they go take buy gari before the chop. So now just suffer that. This picky one at the sea, I mean no be one talk for we, but tell we say if papa ni mommy or man, he don't die for sika this palaver for Norway and Southwest. So he don't come now for inside the condition so we council people then say for that side for Bangante they sorry heart most of these we people there they say may they give them small malasso for inside place where they call them say Bangante on top this offer plenty of them they also pray now say make thing they be normal so that they go turn back for place where them come out. How Bamenda Day after we Prime Minister come up for day for Sunday, people they don't turn for do their work. Make we enter for road for Bamenda. Now governor own around about this for people that they sabi Bamenda. All place is quiet, no one motor in no day at all for road. As we see even motor say will be there for inside. It shows say all bine people themselves they also lock their bine place. Now where someone they ask question whether Prime Minister be get for can talk, say make thing they go down. Now one thing that will be the meet up but plenty bine people them no one place in no day open for inside Bamenda for this afternoon. As we turn for road for Bamenda. Sabi say all people them they be the check say this was where Prime Minister come Monday way today na Monday way plenty people they ever lock their business place them things they go change but as well turn for road them for Bamenda we don't also see say population for Bamenda no come out this Monday where it is so na day way it is so them say they don't ever talk palaver for country Sunday so we say Prime Minister he come out for that side so for inside Bamenda now for Sunday and plenty people they check say today things go change. Time where Prime Minister be there, Bamenda, we be get one picture where we talk, say make we show him, we turn back this image, whether na money or na waiting, all man asking a question, why we chief them, they decide for the work and for under rain, or they enter na for one house, they come out, enter for the house, come out, and they don't even care whether rain in the form, or the chief themselves, they the only worker them na for under rain. Now when people they also ask, why the chief they be the enter for that house, come out, and no one, it no be the grease self say rain it dey all them, they be the only worker na for under rain. Now waiting be the drag them, where he make and so take chief that the waka for under rain. Na question wey I dey ask and na two way we say no fit talk, but una say for outside, una go fit for understand why we the chief dey be forced for waka for under rain for time wey prime minister be dey. This one after we don already finish take receive chief them, but the chief them they be enjoy themselves. So under rain na the best way that they be get for waka. We say we take eye. We catch small image. One other thing where prime minister be do na say he be a talk with one of the boy the way they say he don't left he own shake shoot them. Now for that side so from Campbell where this one he be pass con the people them oga prime minister also him he be meet up one of the boy them where the talk say he don't left shake shoot and he be try for talk with him for that side so for inside the Campbell also the talk we go show that image where they so he pass for that side so from Campbell. Now one of the people that way prime minister be receive him for side where they call him say and Campbell for sika this palaver. We go take una go for side where they call am say Mboka, country people them Mboka na village around Nguti where it dey so just now new church they don't open am for that side for Nguti. Sabi say this palaver for Northwest Airways e no stop Bishop Nkeyam for say we na be head boy for Manfi Diocese for enter for that side so from Mboka. Sabi say Mboka so I talk na village under Nguti subdivision where dey for that side so for Kupe Maningoba. Na so to Bishop Andrew Keyam e prayer for say make all people them pray, say make peace, he come and make that church where they don't open and so he help for say make they continue for make peace for inside Nguti subdivision under Kupe Maningoba as well he open this new church for Mboka. We take una just now, we enter for inside the Presbyterian Church for Ndobo for Douala side, yes. Sabi say our church them, Presbyterian church them, this weekend we pass, now where they be use them for vote their new people that they get for look at them, palava elder them, according to Tori we enter with EM. Inside this vote will happen for that side, all thing waka fine, no fight, no be them. And the people that way the people them for church, they be get for vote them, they vote them, and all thing, it pass fine. Make we hear wait to a pastor for church, he talk for Chief Robert Mukube.
He work very transparently, very freely, and everything be work so smoothly. And the Christians, they be stay behind for make sure say everything work out fine. So you see, say, even as we don't already do the counting, we still try to put the figures together. They already start for the celebrate them, the glad. That means say, the people them way God he identify them, now the same people them way they don't reveal them for we. So if they are glad, all of we will be joyful. You don't see any frowning face. Everybody will be happy. So me too, like pastor, I be happy and I thank God say Satan no be put the hand for inside. Everything work out fine.
Yes, na so he pass for that side so for Kumba, na for inside church we organ Gomna delegate for inside Kumba City Council, Victor Nkelengom. He make announce for population say they so Prime Minister Sesep he come for inside the Kumba for Thursday. So he try for talk for church people them. May they come out. We go take una go for side where they call them say Kumba. If all thing they find for Kumba side for talk say they so even for side for Kumba. He be then so palava for inside voting for a new member them or elder them for church as we pastor Saibo Lansing Sesep he preach na so to Ngomna delegate Victor Nkelengom he be climb to for on top pulpit for side where they preach now for day with Victor Nkelengom he make public news just now say this so August guest we go enter for inside Kumba for this Thursday. Now Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute we go enter for day. Now Oga Victor Nkelengo that we talk for church people them and he talks to me church people them to the commode them plenty for come talk come good for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute where they don't announce say get for come for church. Sabi say be then a palava for vote for new elders them to for inside the church. Baby then an opportunity for governor delegate for make that announce public. We go take una just now go for Old Town for Bamenda where even Minister Mbayu is be day as we agree be day Bamenda. He go for a old quarter way be the Shidon for go meet up Muslim people them where we sabi say we Muslim brother them Papa and Mami then just now they don't already start for make fasting since last week. So Minister Mbayu Sesep Felix he be go for them no be now with the empty hand as we Muslim brother then Sesep they fast he go there with small thing the way we Muslim brother them and Papa they use them during this period. Thing they like sukam, a flour, and other small thing them. We eat can sesep igiam for this with Muslim brother them for that side. So Felix Mbayu, Minister sesep, he talk say come back now for can talk for them, and it be then opportunity too for talk for we Muslim brother them and papa them, mommy them. Say it they so make them remain for peace and make them not do anything way it go hurt any man. Make the social prayer say make all thing. It happen fine for that side. So for inside Old Town, so it be meet up Muslim people them with the day for under fasting just now. Now for it to forgive them small chop as well they also continue for fast. It talk for them say make the prayer for say make peace. It turn back for Cameroon and make this palaver for Northwest and Southwest. It has finished. Last story for this afternoon, we go talk this palaver way it happen. It concern a young boy them for Bamiyan, na village for West region. All them say they don't meet up for inside the Douala here. It be then a palaver for a big and Ndambawe day so that chief says be them. It be concern a lunch for the Ndambawe concern a young people them, youth them for Bamiyan. We get 16 there they go to play this month Ndamba. We go pass for 3 months and every Sunday we go pass. For the Ndamba say they pass. Bonaberi bin Naka, Bonamusa the 3-1 and the other one it be N2-1. So Sabi say all the boy them now boy they come up for Bamiyan and the big chief sesep na be dede for Sise this palaver e waka fine. We don't finish story for this afternoon. We enter for side for newspaper. We enter for the Star newspaper where they outside this afternoon. Inside the Star newspaper country people them waiting there for the Star newspaper just now. Make all we try for discover the Star. This sometime in the tell we palaver for Northwest Southwest. They say na woman then say they come out for outside with the BB cry for talk say come good for John Gute as well the beg say make this palaver e finish. Now so to U.S. House of Representatives too, they don't talk. Say Cameroon and separatist people them all, now then they cause the human rights trouble for inside the country. Inside the same chapter they tell we as we governor for Southwest, Bernardo Calabilai, he don't turn back for a talk we be talk for chief them. Inside the same chapter for the Star newspaper, you go read Tori where it concern palaver for 20 May. How 20 May he manage come, you feel read all that Tori them as well the National Day it take come. Sabi say National Day 20 May go happen next week. All that Tori the day for inside the Star newspaper where you fit for reader. We enter for the guidance post where they outside inside the guidance post. How will they get for look at this sick where the worry people them for Northwest and Southwest. Prime Minister Nzongute Sesep he take if two for them he walk for roads. Now so to population of Bamenda come out and they talk with the Prime Minister as we talk for them. Inside the guidance post too you go read Tori where concern United States their own people there they make their own law where they say they don't talk their own way where they use and for look at the palaver for Norway and Southwest. They don't also continue for talk now for palaver for Shidon on top one table for say make things they happen fine. UN Security Council says that they meet up today and one of the strong thing where they go talk on top now this palaver for Norway and Southwest according to Tori where the guidance post it talk plus Minister Felix Mbayu Sesep we don't preach peace for Muslim people them for that side so for Bamenda as we be they give them small mala as well they continue for make their fasting. We enter for inside the Sun newspaper where they outside today calling people them for the Sun newspaper where they outside this afternoon it tell we John Gute Sesep he don't open him up he talk say they so Nkunkuma he they prepare for say me they shidon on top table for talk better talk for make peace he turn back inside the same chapter the Sun newspaper Tori people them they turn back for Terry as well this Cameroon number 20th May he pass and how he starts they tell we other Tori for inside the book. The Sun too he enter for tell we say this so Manfi Bishop he don't open new big church for that side so from Boka. Now so to the tell we palaver Honorable Lifaka we it glad a 50th Bonday as we the Sun tell we United Nations Security Council says they get for talk on top palaver so for inside Northwest and Southwest. All in them if you read them even palaver for Bateniko ambassador for Mayu Folklore where they meet up with the talk other plenty thing them. You feel for read them for the Sun newspaper wey dey for inside. Inside the same chapter, the Post wey dey for outside today, they talk for we as wey US Congress SSF, e don talk some kind of talk on top governor and separatist people them, and na so too e don talk say just now better make they turn back for federalism according to the Post. The Post SSF dey talk for we as wey the palava for people there they dey die, gun wey they dey so shoot am, all that one they so na thing that we go take welcome talk come good for the peace work away oga prime minister again for make am for inside southwest. Na so too Nkunkuma and separatist people then just now all them they don't give their own different condition them for say make dialogue e dey make they sit down on top one table for talk. All the one them plus other one e dey inside the Post wey dey for outside today plus palava people the way they also die inside the country. Logi John newspaper when na the last one we look for inside the tell we chapter for Northwest Southwest. Prime Minister says he don't go to talk for people them wait dey for inside Kunkuma in mind for say make peace. He turn back for Norway and Southwest. You feel read that chapter for inside Logi John. Now so to Logi John he tell we as we traditional chief them for that side so for Southwest all them they don't run come out for who side their palace them. Now for Sika waiting Logi John get that answer for them. Now so to they tell we Fayengo Francis a commission don't talk say just now at least 150 Ambazonian people them avoid them plus even Boko Haram fighter them just now they don't left their shaker shoot according to report with Fayengo Francis a own commission it don't come out to read the day for inside Logi John newspaper where you fit for reader. Now, so we see country for this afternoon with this also send happy birthday for you. Come Pang for Sideways Day. As I be saying another one day for you this afternoon or today when I have birthday. Once a big thank you for Amos Fongo. Thank you Ledupone and all people there they Puhan for say make Tori Iwaka fine. We go meet up now for some time if all thing Iwaka fine. On a whole I'm tight for outside.
Se trouve ici, c'est ma famille, là où je suis joyeuse. Ces moments font le jour joyeux. Le bon arrive toujours avec Gino. Ma famille est bien avec Gino. Le temps que nous passons, un moment nous partageons. Gino prend soin de vous.
Bonsoir à tous. Elle avait surpris tout le monde en refusant d'être candidate à l'élection présidentielle d'octobre 2018, invoquant la crise anglophone, la situation sécuritaire préoccupante et les tensions sociopolitiques au Cameroun. Activiste et leader politique de premier plan, elle multiplie depuis lors les stratégies de mobilisation de la société civile, des Camerounais et d'autres leaders pour dénoncer la malgouvernance, l'injustice sociale et les dysfonctionnements du système électoral. À l'heure où le président de la République du Cameroun, Paul Biya, appelle au dialogue mutuel pour construire une nation démocratique, l'une de ses principales adversaires politiques estime que seul le départ du régime Biya et l'organisation d'un dialogue inclusif peuvent réconcilier le peuple camerounais afin de s'engager sur la voie d'une nouvelle république. Comment le Cameroun, Afrique en miniature, a-t-il plongé dans un cycle de violences meurtrières et de crises politiques? Quelles sont les causes de cette malgouvernance? Les multiples appels au patriotisme à la solidarité nationale et au vivre ensemble lancés par le chef de l'État sont-ils des signes précurseurs d'une prise de conscience politique visant à sauver le Cameroun d'un chaos? Ce soir, c'est l'heure de vérité pour Edith Kabangwala. Madame Kawala, bonsoir.
Bonsoir, et je dis un bonsoir très particulier aux maires de la nation. Nous sommes la fête des maires aujourd'hui, aux maires de la nation qui luttent pour ce Cameroun, pour cette nouvelle république, et un bonsoir très particulier à ces maires qui sont en prison aujourd'hui pour leur lutte. Que ce soit les femmes anglophones qui sont incarcérées, que ce soit les militantes du MRC qui sont incarcérées. Un bonsoir très particulier à toutes les femmes qui sont en lutte.
Vous êtes à la tête du Cameroun People's Party comme présidente nationale. Vous dirigez également un cabinet stratégique, cabinet de renommée internationale aussi, et l'un des piliers du mouvement Stand Up for Cameroun. Merci d'avoir accepté cette invitation pour l'émission La Vérité en face. Vous le savez, c'est une émission bilingue. Et sur ce plateau avec nous, Jonathan Babila. Bonsoir, Jonathan.
Good evening, Cédric. Madame the President, good evening.
Good evening.
Également présent sur ce plateau ce dimanche, Duval Fongwa. Duval, bonjour.
Bonjour, bonsoir, Cédric Nefele et bonsoir à Edith Kabangwala.
Bonsoir.
D'entrée de jeu, Madame Kawala, pourquoi vous étiez absente lors de ces consultations engagées par le Premier ministre Joseph John Goté à Bamenda?
Par quel miracle est-ce que j'aurais été présent? Je ne sais pas si le Premier ministre a organisé des consultations. Je sais que j'ai vu des images, qu'il était à Bamenda. Je suis perplexe par rapport à ce qu'il est allé faire là-bas. Nous avons une crise, une très très grave crise. Notre gouvernement nous dit depuis qu'il est ouvert au dialogue, donc j'ai encore entendu le Premier ministre répéter qu'ils sont ouverts au dialogue. Je crois peut-être tout ce déplacement était pour l'information que le dialogue maintenant est ouvert sur la forme de l'État. Peut-être, c'est la seule information nouvelle que j'ai.
Donc vous n'avez pas été invité à quoi que ce soit?
Pas du tout, pas du tout. Et je crois que on doit faire très attention. On doit faire très attention. On a dans les régions du nord-ouest et du sud-ouest depuis 3 ans, au moins 1850 morts, au moins. On a 530 000 personnes qui sont déplacées. On ne sait combien qui sont en brousse.
Bon, ce sont vos chiffres, hein, parce que le ministre de l'Intérieur, le ministre de l'Administration territoriale, récemment, a donné des chiffres qui sont différents de ceux que vous présentez.
Ce ne sont pas mes chiffres, ce sont les chiffres de International Crisis Group, qui ont été publiés il y a 1 semaine, je crois. On a 50 000 environ réfugiés au Nigeria. Est-ce qu'on doit s'amuser avec ça?
Are you qualifying the move undertaken by the Prime Minister of the Republic as a joke?
Well, I don't understand what it is. What is it? What did he go to do there? Is there... He claimed they are open to dialogue, but he did not. If you want a dialogue, we have been talking about dialogue for 3 years in this country with regard to this problem. If he wants to tell us something new, he tells us that we are beginning dialogue on this day with so and so persons in so and so manner. The dialogue is going to include this step and that step and that step. That's a serious statement. What is this going there to take peace plans? It was even offensive to take peace plans because it's as if he does not know what happened in the history. On the 22nd of September, people took peace plans. On the 1st of October, they took peace plans. What happened to them? They were shot at.
But you're one of
so
the...
I don't understand what this was about.
You're one of the leading opposition political parties in the country. I'm talking about your party, the CPP,
yes,
which you're heading. and you have been on the forefront as far as efforts to return to normalcy, in the two Anglophone regions are concerned. And the Prime Minister went to the Northwest region in this same framework, seeking solutions to the Anglophone crisis. Other political parties were there. The Social Democratic Front was there, but Edith Kabanwala and the CPP was absent. What explains that?
No, very clearly, we were not invited. We were not invited, nor were we informed. But had we been invited, I think we would have asked a few key questions. What, Mr. Prime Minister, is new? What is new since the last Prime Minister went? The last Prime Minister went and he said, we are open to dialogue and we want to talk to everybody. But where is the dialogue? On what day does it start? With whom does it start? What are the steps to the dialogue? Where are the preconditions? He went, he met with the Social Democratic Front, and what did they tell him? They told him what we have been saying for the last 3 years. If you are serious, if this government wants to show that it is ready to dialogue, step 1, release political prisoners. There are people in prison today, Mr. BBC Mancho, Mr. Ngalim Felix, Mr. Terence Penn, and dozens who were arrested at that time with them. These people have been sentenced, are carrying sentences of 10 years, 11 years, and so on. These were people who were arrested before there was any violence. They were arrested in January 2017. There was no violence. There was no armed fight. There are thousands of young men. We are over 1,000 young men today and a few women arrested within the context of the Anglophone crisis. If you want to show yourself a serious government ready for dialogue, release them.
Alors,
then tell us about dialogue.
Mais Présidente, justement, parlant de ces personnes qui sont incarcérées, ça fait partie des propositions qui ont été formulées par le Social Democratic Front. Vous avez suivi les échanges avec...
Monsieur Duval Fangwa.
Je pose la question, Président.
Oui,
est-ce que je pose la question? Alors, donc, le Premier ministre Joseph John Gouté a échangé avec le chairman du Social Democratic Front, et au sortir de cet échange-là, on a pris un certain nombre de questions qui ont été évoquées. On a parlé justement de la libération des personnes qui sont incarcérées. Ils ont proposé la désignation d'un médiateur dans cette crise-là.